Hey babes, it's your girl Nana back with another video. So today I'll be showing you how I contour my face. As you can see, I already done my eyebrows. Today I'm just gonna show you step by step how to contour your face, how to highlight your face, and also how to blend in the contour properly.
So first I'm going to moisturize my face with that Vaseline, and I'm just going to rub that all over my face. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Baby Skin Primer, and I am just going to prime my face.
So now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 440, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. So now I'm taking my Tarte concealer in the shade Deep Sand.
And I'm just going to highlight underneath my eyes, underneath my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Now I'm taking my Morphe Damp Beauty Blender, and I am just going to blend out that concealer.
So now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty in the shade 430.
So now I'm just going to apply that Fenty Beauty concealer on the same areas I highlighted at. And now I'm just going to blend out that concealer.
So now I'm going to take some of this LA Girl Pro concealer. I don't even know if I really need to highlight with this concealer, considering that I already have a whole bunch of concealer on my face. But this is one of my favorite concealers to highlight with.
So now I'm going to highlight with that concealer on the same areas I already highlighted at. Now I'm just going to take my Morphe Damp Beauty Blender, and I'm just going to blend out that highlight on my nose.
So now I'm going to take my Morphe stick in the shade Effect 17.
And I'm just going to contour underneath my cheekbones. I'm also going to contour my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Now I'm going to take my Morphe Beauty Blender, and I'm just going to blend out that contour.
So guys, I just applied the Beauty Bakery setting powder. I just baked underneath my eyes, my chin, underneath my nose, and my forehead. So now I'm just brushing it out with my Little Mermaid brush.
I'm going to take that setting powder and I'm just going to bake on my eyelids. Now I'm going to take my Little Mermaid brush and I'm just going to brush out that powder.
So as you can see here, guys, it looks like I already have a beat face. I might just put some lip liner on and some lashes just to show you how well I already set my face.
Hey guys, this is the finished look. I look pretty, pretty, pretty. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Follow my Instagram at it's me Nana_98, and also follow me on Twitter under the same name. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye, my loves.